Azure is not only restricted to the compute services. We also have Azure also have some database serverless services as well. We have Azure SQL Database service and we have Azure Cosmos Database service that runs our instances according to the customer needs. That when the request units to your database has increased, it will scale up and gradually scale down when there is no request. And we will have a quick look at that. That will allow you to understand more on what I tend to make you understand here is that now, as you can see in the graph, that whenever the request to our CPU usage, when the request to our database is increasing, the instances has been increasing as well. Let's say that in the from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. or something like that, our requests have been going up. So it is literally scaling our instances to the according to on demand. So let's say we have an inactive phase. What the serverless capabilities are used here is that when your application is in inactive phase, when there is no request coming, it will scale your application instance to 1, and then it will check that, okay, whether any request is coming to it or not. It will stay up for some time, and when there is no request, let's say in at 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. in the morning, that there is no one using your application, what happens is that it will literally scale to 0, as you can see here. So this is one of the beauty of the Azure Serverless Database as well, that you will only pay for the uptime of your application. You will not pay anything for the inactivity or the paused state.